You searched how to buy shares of Acuren Corp. This short video shows a practical step-by-step example. Acuren Corp provides industrial inspection and testing services and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TIC. This is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as the example platform to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TIC to find Acuren Corp. Locate the listing that matches Acuren Corp on NASDAQ to open the correct asset page. On the asset page, review the company overview, sector information, and the price chart to understand the listing. Confirm the page shows NASDAQ and the ticker TIC, so you are looking at the right stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be pending, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade completes. After the trade, your open position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.